In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog and how to create and edit it on Wix. We'll go through the process directly inside the Wix editor, and this is a very simple way to get a blog section added to your website so you can start publishing content right away. If you're new to Wix, don't worry. Everything is built visually, so it's easy to follow once you know where to click. To begin, go to your site editor. This is the main editing area where you can make changes to your website layout, pages, and features. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps the elements and sections you can insert into your site. After that, click on Pages. Inside this area, you'll see different page-related options and categories. From there, choose Blog and Resources. This section includes blog layouts and tools that Wix provides to help you quickly add a blog without needing to build everything from scratch. Now choose a blog to add to your website. Pick the option that best fits the style and structure you want for your site. Once you add it, Wix will place the blog element onto your website automatically. When you see the blog element on the page, click on it. This will open its settings and give you access to the controls related to your blog. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct blog section, because this is where you'll manage the content that appears on it. In the settings, you'll find the Manage Posts option. Click that to open the Blog Post Management area. This is where you can control your blog content and start building your articles. Next, click Create New Post. Wix will open a new post for you, and this is the area where you can create and edit your blog content. You can begin writing your post, adjust the content, and make your changes as needed. This is the main workspace you'll use whenever you want to publish something new or update an existing post. And that's it. Once your blog is added and you know where the post management area is, creating and editing content becomes very straightforward. If you plan to publish regularly, it's a good idea to get comfortable with this section since it will be the center of your blog workflow inside Wix.